Get ready for a life-changing journey. In the next few minutes, I'm about to share a simple, scientifically backed prayer that has transformed countless lives, especially in the realm of money. Imagine a practice that takes just 2 minutes before bed, but holds the power to reshape your entire destiny. This is no ordinary video. It's a gateway to unlocking abundance. And the best part, it's backed by proven scientific ideas. Stick around because, by the end, you'll discover the ultimate secret to building a strong connection with success. Brace yourself for a story of how I attracted $60,000 in less than 3 months using this incredible technique. This isn't just a video. It's your ticket to a world where your last thought before sleep becomes the map to your dreams and success. Don't miss out. Watch until the end and embark on a journey to manifest prosperity like never before. Hey there. I want to share a really powerful prayer with you. The kind that's helped lots of people achieve amazing things, especially when it comes to money. Get ready to be amazed, because this practice only takes 2 minutes before bed. Yet it can totally change your life. Stick around till the end to learn this awesome prayer. Your focus is super important. And this idea is actually quite simple, even though its impact is huge. It's like a special prayer backed by science. Think of it as the ultimate way to build a strong connection that brings real results, all based on proven scientific ideas. It's surprisingly easy to do, and it's something I've used to bring more abundance and money into my life. I share this with people I mentor in business, and even though I teach more complex business strategies, I always start with this simple practice. It's like the foundation for all the amazing things to come. Get ready to witness something incredible. Let me explain more. Before that, I want to share with you something. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Let me tell you about a time in my past when I attracted about $30,000 in less than 3 months. How did I do it? Well, it all started with the technique I'm about to share. I did a series of things, but the main focus was on filling my mind with thoughts of the abundance I wanted, more money and financial success. This is something I always recommend, part of what I teach when I talk about super consciousness, a kind of higher awareness. To get more money in your life, you have to really soak your mind in those thoughts. Remember this phrase, I need to fill my mind. Think of it like pouring water into a glass until it's full. That's saturation. When your mind is overflowing with thoughts of abundance and success, there's no space for scarcity. Picture that glass again. This time, it's holding something else, like coffee. Replace the coffee with water bit by bit until the coffee is gone. With time, the glass will be all water. That's saturation, and it creates a complete change. The same goes for your mind. Remember this. Changing the way you think can change your whole life. Changing means swapping out the old for the new, going from having less to having more. This change happens by filling your mind with new thoughts, or in this case, thoughts of abundance. Saturating your mind is essential for abundance to grow. And guess what? It's simple. So get ready for one of the best ways to do this. It only takes 2 minutes and happens when you're about to fall asleep. A moment that many don't think much about. As you grasp this idea, write down in the comments that the most important moment to change is right before sleep. This is your doorway to big changes. Do this right before you fall asleep. This moment is super powerful. A chance you shouldn't miss. Wonder why? As your busy day winds down, your mind becomes like a blank canvas, all set to take in whatever you want to tell it. Your brain activity changes from super active to calm and relaxed. This is when your mind listens best, gets all creative, and is totally open to your ideas. Whatever you plant in your mind during this time will grow while you sleep, like magic. The last thought before you fall asleep sets the mood for your mind's adventures. It's like a map leading you to your dreams and successes. But you might be wondering, how do you make the most of this awesome power? Listen up. Ancient thinkers had it figured out. Control your thoughts before sleep. As you get ready to dive into dreamland, kick worries out of your mind. Let thoughts of success and good things be your bedtime buddies. Remember, the last thing on your mind should be having lots of good stuff. This is how you can do it. Count the money. I'll suggest two things. Just close your eyes and imagine counting money. If you want $100,000, imagine counting $10 bills until you reach 100,000. Or imagine counting $100 bills like 1,000 times. You can also use the money from your own country, the one that feels like wealth to you. For example, if you live where euros are used but you think of dollars as wealth, then imagine counting dollars. Do this with the money you're familiar with. Imagine it. If dollars aren't familiar to you, imagine counting euros. You really need to believe in it. When you fall asleep, keep counting your chosen money in your mind. Imagine the bills, touch them in your imagination, and smell them. Start counting and always feel like you have a lot of money. Don't worry about how the money will come to you. Your subconscious mind will guide you to actions that will help you attract it. Some things will happen naturally without much effort. The main thing is that you need to really saturate your mind with the idea of having that amount of money. It's like filling a container with water until it overflows. You must fill your mind with thoughts of abundance until there's no room for thoughts of scarcity. That's why you should go to sleep with positive thoughts of abundance, not worries. Practice this. Another technique is to set a picture of money as your phone's wallpaper. Look at it and imagine touching the bills as if they were real. This can help if your imagination needs a boost. It's important to be disciplined. Don't try it for a couple of days and then stop. Discipline is important for success, so follow this advice consistently. I hope this has been helpful. If you're inspired, share this with others who want more abundance in their lives. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist.